How to use nice public transit with kids and strollers. Are you planning a trip to New York City and wondering how to navigate the public transit system with kids and strollers? You are in the right place. Let's break it down step by step to make your journey smoother. First, it is essential to know that not every subway station is equipped for strollers. Some stations lack elevators or ramps, making it tricky to get around. Before you set off, check the Metropolitan Transportation Authority accessibility map. Major stations like Times Square and Grand Central Terminal usually have elevators, but many smaller stations do not. When you arrive at the subway, keep in mind that strollers must be folded before boarding the train. It is best to fold your stroller on the platform to avoid slowing down other passengers. If the train is not crowded, some people do keep their strollers open, but folding is the official rule. On buses, the rules are a bit different. Strollers can generally remain open, which can make boarding easier. Children who are under 44 inches tall can ride for free when accompanied by a fare-paying adult. You can take up to 3 children under this height on subways and local buses with 1 adult. To keep your little ones happy during the ride, pack snacks, water, and small toys. Traveling during off-peak hours can also help you avoid crowded trains and make it easier to get on and off with a stroller. When using escalators, remember to stand to the right so others can pass on the left. Elevators are always the best option for stroller convenience. If you have an infant, note that children under 2 years old can ride express buses for free when seated on an adult's lap. Some subway stations have designated boarding areas for people with disabilities, but strollers can use these areas as long as they do not block access. In summary, using New York City public transit with kids and strollers requires some planning. Focus on accessible stations, fold strollers when needed, travel during less busy times, and bring items to keep children comfortable. Familiarizing yourself with the subway map and accessibility features will help ensure a smoother experience for your family.